Welcome friends, let's learn how to draw an owl today. You want to start by drawing two circles. These will form the eyes of the owl. Next you want to draw two more larger circles around the first circles. The eyes of an owl are always large and enormous, so this is a great characteristic that you want to exaggerate. Next I drew two curves to form the head and body, and I'm adding wings on either side. Now I'm doodling in pointy ears and adding some pretty flowers on top. If you want to make this a boy owl, you can also add maybe a hat or something instead. Now we go back to the eyes. We want to draw a circle inside of the first ones and color in the eyeball. Now you can see where the eyes are, and those are glasses around it. Aren't they so cute? Now time to add a mouth. My owl is looking a little surprised. You can draw a smile instead if you want to. And then I just want to add scallops for the body of the owl. Draw two scrawny legs and our owl is ready. Now let's paint another owl, this time using brush pens and making it more colorful. So I've pulled out some Tombow Jewel brush pens and I'm drawing my owl to be seated on top of a tree branch. So I started with my brown color and I just drew out the branch. Now I'm adding the pink color, which is going to be some little cute flowers on top of it. And I'm adding leaves to it. When you're working with brush pens, especially the kind that are water sensitive, you want to actually work in areas that don't touch each other, so give it some space to dry. Now I'm starting with the owl actually, and I drew a scalloped edge around it. This is going to form the head, and then with my paintbrush I'm just painting with water to elongate the color, and for the body I'm drawing pink scallops, and again I'm painting over it with the water to just soften the color and give that look of watercolor. The water does all the drama for us. You just need to add the color and wait. Now we're drawing the eyes and I'm adding blue around it. The color combination is just too cute and whimsical. To finish off the owl, you want to go in and add some wings. I added a brown color and then I'm adding the same color to add a little bit of feathers and feet. To finish off the owl, I'm adding like a crown of feathers with a darker color. This is more greenish in tone. What I want to do now is actually highlight the body where the scallops are. So I'm adding a darker red color on top and again softening it by just adding a bit of water, and you can already see how that highlighted the body. I'll go back and add more color to any of the areas that I feel have kind of lightened with the water, and that's about it. You can add a pen outline to this and finish off your owl. I hope you enjoyed today's simple owl drawing tutorial. These would look great either in your bullet journals, cards, or anywhere else. Thanks for spending some crafty time with me today, friends. I'll see you again soon. Happy crafting!